A startup just hit $800,000 in revenue in just 9 months. Another one hit 1 million in 5 months. Neither of them had a developer on their team when they started. Both of them built the entire product using one tool. It's called Lovable. And in this video, I'm going to show you exactly what it is and how to use it. Starting from zero. I'm Mario. This is AI by Mario, where I break down AI tools in plain English so anyone can use them. Today, Lovable. What is it? What it can build? How to use it? And whether it's worth it. Let's go. So, what exactly is Lovable? Lovable is a website and app builder powered by AI. You go to lovable.dev, you describe what you want to build in plain English, like you're texting a friend, and Lovable builds it for you. Front-end, back-end, database, user login, everything in minutes. Not a template, not a drag and drop website, a real, fully functional web application with real code underneath. The code it generates is clean, React, and TypeScript, the same languages professional developers use, and you own that code completely. You can export it to GitHub at any time. Take it anywhere, modify it however you want. No lock-in. Lovable has 8 million users, 300 million in annual revenue, and a $6.6 billion valuation. It grew that fast because for the first time, people who have ideas but can't code can actually build things. Not describe them to a developer, build them themselves today. Let me show you what people are actually building with this. Because when I first heard about it, I thought it was just for simple stuff. It's not. You can type, build me a project management app where my team can create tasks, assign them, and track progress. Lovable builds a full working Trello style board. User accounts, real database, everything you can type. Build me an e-commerce store where customers can browse products and check out with Stripe. You get the complete store. Cart, checkout, payment processing. Done. You can type, build me a booking system for my photography business where clients can pick a date and pay a deposit. Client facing booking page, calendar, deposit payment, confirmation emails, a real business tool in under an hour. The range is wide. Simple tools, complex SaaS products, internal business tools, client-facing apps. If you can describe it, Lovable can build it. Here's the step-by-step workflow. This is genuinely as simple as it looks. Step 1, go to lovable.dev and create a free account. No credit card, 30 seconds. Step 2, start a new project. You'll see a text box. Describe your app, and here's the most important tip. Be specific. Don't just say, build me an app. Describe it like you're briefing someone. Instead of build me a to-do app, say, build me a to-do app where users can create accounts, add tasks with due dates, mark them complete, and filter by category. Use a clean, modern design with a sidebar. The more detail you give, the better the result. A good prompt takes 2 minutes to write and saves you 10 minutes of fixing things. Step 3. Hit enter and watch. Lovable builds in real time. In under 2 minutes, you have a working prototype you can actually click around it. Step number 4. Iterate. If something isn't right, just tell it. In plain English, move the navigation to the top. Make the button red, add a search bar. It updates immediately. Step number 5, connect Supabase if your app needs user accounts or to save data. One click, Lovable and Supabase set up your database, authentication, and file storage automatically. You don't touch any settings. Step number 6, deploy. One click, your app is live on a real URL. Add a custom domain if you want, share it with anyone, it works. That is the whole workflow. Prompt, build, iterate, deploy. No code written, no developer needed. Lovable has 3 different building modes. Knowing which one to use makes a big difference. Agent mode is the default. You give it a goal and it figures out everything itself. Explores the code, debugs problems, searches for solutions, and delivers a finished result. Hands off. Chat mode doesn't write any code. It just talks with you. Use it when you want to plan a feature before you build it. Think of it as a planning conversation before you commit. Visual Edits is a Figma style drag and drop interface. Once your app is built, you click directly on any element and change it without writing any prompts. For when you want precise control over the design, most people use agent mode to build the structure, chat mode to plan new features, and visual edits to fine-tune the design at the end. How does Lovable compare to everything else out there? Bold, new is the most similar. Both build full-stack apps from prompts. Lovable wins on design quality, cleaner, more polished interfaces. For non-technical users, Lovable is the better choice. V0 by Versal builds beautiful frontends, but that's all it does. No database, no user login, no backend. Lovable builds the full thing. Replit is a full coding environment that also builds from prompts. The problem you're hosting and database are tied to their platform. Living is complicated. With Lovable, you own all your code through GitHub. Take it anywhere. Bubble is the most powerful no-code tool for complex apps, but the learning curve is steep. Lovable is faster to start and gets it to a working app much quicker. Where Lovable loses is if you want a native iPhone or Android app. This isn't a tool. It builds web apps only. And for very complex business logic with lots of edge cases, Bubble's visual programming is more mature. Let me give you the honest limitations, because I always give you the real version. Credit-based pricing can add up. The free plan is 5 credits a day. The paid plan starts at $25 a month for 100 credits. Complex tasks burn more credits than simple ones. If you're deep in a debugging session, you can burn through your allowance faster than expected. The AI can get into loops. Sometimes when you're fixing a bug, it fixes one thing and breaks something else. The way around this, use chat mode to plan the fix first, then execute. Don't just keep hitting fix the error. Complex logic has limits. Simple to medium apps, excellent. Very complex multi-step business logic with lots of edge cases, you may hit a ceiling where you need a developer to take over. Web apps only, no native iPhone or Android apps, and the quality of what Lovable builds is directly tied to the quality of how you describe it. Vague prompt, vague results. The best results come from people who think clearly before they start typing. Quick pricing breakdown. Free, 5 credits per day, enough to build and test properly. No credit card. Pro, $25 a month, 100 monthly credits, plus 5 daily, up to 150 total. Custom domains, private projects, business, $50 a month. Team workspace, SSO design templates. Now let me put this in perspective. A freelance developer charges 75 to 150 an hour. A basic app from scratch takes 40 to 100 hours. Minimum. That's $3,000 to $15,000. Lovable Pro is $25 a month. The math is not complicated. Here's what I want you to do right now. Go to lovable.dev, sign up free, no credit card. Think of one thing you've always wanted to build. Describe it, see what comes out. Drop a comment below what's the first thing you're going to build. I read every single comment and I genuinely want to know. If this was useful, share it with someone who has an idea but thinks they can't build it because they can't code. That might be the thing that changes everything for them. Subscribe for more every week AI tools in plain English. No fluff, just what works. I'm Mario. This is AI by Mario. Go build something. See you in the next one.